Welcome to Mari Health and Fit channel. DIY Hydrating Face Serum. Simple and effective homemade recipe. I have an exciting DIY project to share with you. We'll be making a hydrating face serum that you can easily create at home. This serum is packed with nourishing ingredients that will help keep your skin hydrated and glowing. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon vegetable glycerin, 5 drops of your preferred essential oil, optional, for fragrance, 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, optional, as a preservative. Instructions. Step 1. First, take a clean container and add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Step 2. Next, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin to the container. Step 3. If you'd like to add a pleasant scent, you can include 5 drops of your preferred essential oil. This step is optional. Step 4. If you want to extend the shelf life of your serum, add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Again, this step is optional but can act as a natural preservative. Step 5. Now, it's time to mix all the ingredients together. Stir well until everything is thoroughly combined. Step 6. Once you're done mixing, transfer the serum into a dark glass bottle or any airtight container. This will help protect the serum from sunlight and maintain its effectiveness. Step 7. Store the serum in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Step 8. To use the serum, make sure your face is clean and toned. Step 9. Take a few drops of the serum and gently massage it into your skin using upward circular motions. Step 10. Continue massaging until the serum is fully absorbed. Step 11. For best results, incorporate this serum into your daily skincare routine. You can apply it in the morning and evening. And that's it. You have your very own homemade hydrating face serum. It's simple, effective, and made with natural ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this DIY project and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY beauty recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay beautiful.